Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and I'm back with another interesting video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare an extra potent hair growth tonic to stop hair fall. So let's get started. Guys, this is dry rosemary, one of my favorite ingredients. Rosemary is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties that stimulate hair growth and reduce hair fall. It also helps to reduce scalp inflammation and stimulate blood supply to the hair follicles. Rosemary also strengthens your hair. You can go for the fresh rosemary, either the dry or the fresh rosemary, it gives the same thing. Our second ingredient is fenugreek. Fenugreek prevents hair loss by controlling hair shedding. It revives damaged hair. This is because it's a great source of protein and amino acid which helps repair the hair shaft damaged due to dehydration and some chemicals contained in hair products. It also helps to fight dandruff because it is rich in antifungal and antibacterial properties. Our third ingredient is clove. Clove has a lot of properties. It has a lot of benefits, but I will mention a few. Cloves promote hair growth. It contains antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that can be beneficial for your scalp. It adds shine to your hair. It treats dandruffs. You can make more research to know more about cloves. Our next ingredient is bay leaves. Bay leaf is used in some dishes. Bay leaves is loaded with antioxidants that can help smoothen your hair. It helps fight bacteria and fungal infections of the scalp. It also fights dandruff and itchy scalps. These ingredients work together to give you a potent hair growth tonic to stop hair fall while treating your hair strands for healthier and longer hair growth. Add some quantity of water and boil. Then add 1 spoon of clove, 1 spoon of rosemary, 1 spoon of fenugreek and 4 bay leaves. Remember that the quantity of the ingredient depends on the volume of your hair and how many times you want to use the hairspray. Allow the ingredient to boil and still stir. When the water changes color, bring it down and allow to cool. Then go ahead and sieve. Now you have a potent hair growth tonic for your hair. If this video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Bye and see you in my next video.